Hello, Ukrainian founder of startup. My name is Elena, and I'm a founder of OKTOWN startup. So I'm from Ukraine, but I have traveled more than 20 countries all over the world. But all over the Europe, I have been facing a problem of uncomfortable search for founding outdoor activities and local tourism. The same thing with the Ukrainian market. So we serve 2,000 people as a group of travelers. 80% of them travel around the in Europe every year, and 52% struggle to find services online. Based on this, we see an opportunity to increase demand for 62% in Ukraine and also and a 42% in Europe. OKTOWN is the easiest way to find and book a local activities in a small town. We collect all local small businesses in a field of tourism and services and add them to one network to generate order traffic from our clients to develop tourist infrastructure. This is something that our competitors do not offer. A lot of functions made of geolocation and artificial intelligence for both of the parties. Let me show you how it works. People are neighbors in one city. Their hobbies are also based on location. We call those people locals. Locals have local businesses. Other weekends, they do activities, go jet ski, to new location, or take kids to outdoors. But now, how to find right service if you are not local? OKTOWN AI will help you to find exactly what you're looking for based on your location. Same with the businesses. We provide AI customization to bring the right client to your service. So the system immediately offers nearest activity by geolocation or city selection. Now I just show you the prototype that we just finished in August uh, with the design prototype that we will use for PWA mobile version of our website. So people travel all over the Europe. As an example, in Spain, tourists spend 300 million nights in year. In Ukraine, before the war, the statistics was also great, but not perfect. One of the 10 businesses are actually in the tourism industry, if we're talking about Europe, which is 200 million businesses in tourism-related activities. Here is a potential revenue for this year. For the first months of traction, we processed more than 20 businesses and registered 75 services and 90 businesses, 20 sales. Also, a lot of them became our partners. A lot of governmental and not governmental structures, and also the businesses. There are many online services in this market space, but not non-target local tourism. We also have an extreme focus on a customer experience website. Tour companies and entrepreneurs are actually our partners. We are launching the mobile app this year, and then we will go closer countries from Ukraine to Europe. Since our marketplace operates on a B2B business model, at this point, we have two monetization strategies. The first one is a percentage of sale through our marketplace that we already have a partner with Fondi to process these sales. And also the second one is an advertisement plan. At OKTOWN, we not strangers to build a community. While boosting our startup, we finished the design of our app prototype and also prepared a crowdfunding campaign that we're going to launch closer to winter. The next step is a back end of our application and automatic app translation. So we can launch in Ukraine and also close these countries to Ukraine, like Romania, Slovakia, Slovenia, and Poland, to bring the businesses working together and a cooperation between countries. 4 months from now, we will launch an API for mobile version for a wider assortment of services and simplify integration with the large tour operators. By investing $10,000, we should able to be break even in 6 months. By investing more, we will have a great marketing campaign to be launched also in nearest countries with a focus of translation. So our team consists of professional experience professionals. At least 5 years of experience have each one in their field. OKTOWN, what's happening locally today? So thank you so much, Ukrainian Fund of Startup, to give us an opportunity to teach and to launch our startup.